And there we have it. Little chemtrail. Diagonal there. And clouds forming above the town centre. Excellent. And you've got the rest of the chem over there. But yeah, clouds forming over the town centre. There's a few other ominous little stripes that could pass as chems. I can't find the damn things now I'm looking. Up there. There's no point in looking at the other one. I've taken some pictures. It's like a grid in the sky. It's been there for ages. Just looks like a square of wisped clouds, maybe. Something like. But yeah, clouds forming over Darlington. Cool that. There's the remains of the chemtrail. Hello my little bales. Just one or two of the little scars left. Oh, the kid. So as the clouds disperse, it's quite obvious to see where the chemicals are, where they've been left behind, the chemtrails. Although they are dispersing themselves. That one up there, for example, it's dispersing slowly, very slowly. And there's some more on the horizon over here. That one's lasting strong up there. Neat cloud effects, really are. It's a strange one. But yeah, the chems remain and the clouds all bugger off. Anyway, my turn to bugger off. Catch you later.